Hey everybody! Hi, welcome, and thank you for joining me and the entire Happy Crew for today's unboxing, which I am so happy finally came because I've been waiting for this box for it feels like forever. So I do have the entire Happy Crew here, although they are both exhausted. They just got back from WALKs. I can't say the word or else I get excited again. So Zena is exhausted. She's ready to hit the road. She feels like her part is now done. You are so bad, aren't you? And Wyatt, oh, you're so bad. There's Wyatt. There we go. You gonna participate today, YY? What do you think? It's too much. All right, so I think I need to hire new help. That's what I'm guessing. They have been busy today, so it's all right. We'll give them a break. This box. I am so excited about this box, guys. My Decocrated box add-on is here. This is the Halloween add-on box. Yes! So excited about this because I feel like I ordered it a long time ago. This is the first add-on box I've ever purchased. I got in early, so if you do any of the add-on boxes, they're usually $39.99 if you do the early access. If you wait, then it goes up to $49.99, but normally they sell out. So like you can't get the Halloween box anymore, it's gone. The Christmas box I think is still up, but I know it was supposed to sell out as well, so I'm not sure. But they usually will have a seasonal box, a seasonal add-on box each season. Okay, so Easter, Halloween, Christmas, and then I'm not sure about the fourth one. I think it's a patriotic themed one for the summer. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Decocrated, it is a home decor subscription box. 6 to 7 seasonal pieces sent to your door every month. Love it. It's $79.99 every season. So you get that as soon as you sign up and subscribe, and then you also get membership access to buy things from their shop. And one of those things you can get from the shop are the fun add-on boxes, such as this one. This box I did purchase. It was not sent to me for review, so I'm excited to dig in and see what is in here. All right, let's go. Halloween. I do have a code for you, so if you do want to subscribe so you've accessed all of these fun goodies, if you use the code Little Box of Happy 10, you'll get $10 off a seasonal subscription, or you can sign up for the whole year and use Little Box of Happy 30, and you'll get $30 off an annual subscription. Annual subscription is cheaper. If you want to go that route, it does discount it a little bit. All right, so here's what I see. It says, oh, exciting. Oh, how exciting. Open it. You get a little envelope. Usually this has information about the items inside. So excited. Oh, it says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. It's a little artwork. You always get artwork with your boxes, which I love, so you can hang on a little frame. Trick or treat. Is that not cute? Oh, and then this tells me about my items. It says, thank you for your purchase. At Decocrated, we create how-to styling tips, styling booklets every season. But due to COVID, our team was unable to gather for the making of this booklet. Thanks to technology, we are still able to share what we were able to put together. So please follow the link below so everything is online instead to talk about each of the pieces. All right, so we'll have to do that. But I think we'll check them out anyway. Here's the paper once I dig down below that, which is making all this noise. This looks so cute. Right off the top, I think this is a pillow covering. This looks so cute. Oh, this is just so cute. I like this. It says, I put a spell on you. This is a pillow covering. Is that not cute? I love it. And then the back is black and white with all kinds of little designs. I see the bats and the potions. Is that not adorable? I love the front. That's cute. Adorable. All right. What else have we got here? Oh, this is cute. This is cute little decor. What do you guys think of this? This is a little pumpkin. It says boo. You could hang this up, or just it is thick enough that you can just sit this for decor. Boo. I think that's cute. It would be pretty on a table, if you even beside your pillow, propped up there beside it. That is cute. They actually are showing it on a tabletop beside the fall picture. If you remember the fall picture, it had all the sayings on it, and I'll show it to you after we dig through everything, because there's other gifts showing other pieces that I have not shared with you yet, so I don't want to give it all away. And I'll put some pictures at the end of how I decorated with some of the fall pieces. Ooh, lantern. This is pretty. Okay, so these are the star lantern. This is the star lantern. I love this. I think there's more than one of them. It does have the little, does it have the little holder? No. Okay, so you can put whatever size you want at the bottom as far as what would fit for a cute little candle. I think that's so cute. So this is in the theme of the Japanese aesthetic of wabi-sabi, the imperfection. So I think it's cute. I like that it's the matte black with the gold in the middle. What do you guys think? I like it. I like it. All right. Let's see. I think there might be another one in here. Let's see. I think that might be this one. 2 different sizes. What do you think, YY? Yep. So this is the bigger one. Yep. So here's the 2 different. These will be pretty together. And would look nice with the little sign. Very cute. I like it. So pretty. This looks so pretty with a little candle inside. Love it. All right. Let's see what else there is. I feel like I need to make these pretty for you so you can see everything. This is gorgeous. Okay. I got one more thing here. Let's see what this is. There was 3 things in here. This is so cute. Oh, I love this. Okay, so this is a set of 3 little wooden potion bottles. But you see these. I love it. They're 3 different sizes. So cute. I love it. So they have the Witch's Brew. How adorable is that? That's the smallest one. Then the next one is the Eye of Newt. I love it. So cute. And the last one is Moon Dust, and it's the biggest one. Adorable, right? So cute. I love these. This is such cute. This is cute. I think this is adorable for Halloween. I love all 3. And that is everything. So all of these, I got in early, $39.99 for all 4 pieces. This is an add-on, so it's not included as part of your normal seasonal subscription, but you can choose to buy it or choose not to buy it. The Christmas box is coming next. I did already sign up. I already purchased that one, so I'll be excited to show it to you when it comes. I'm hoping soon. I expect it to be probably next month. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I think these are so pretty. I wanted to show you some of the ways in which this is so cute, they organized with, they decorated with these pieces. So let me see if I can show you some of the pictures that are included in their style tips. So here's a cute one with the pillow. And they have pictures from their fall and other fall and prior boxes in the background. That one's really cute. Here's another one with the pillow as well as the lanterns. How cute is this? I love the style tips. They do have websites in which you can get styling ideas, and I'll put those down below. I'll also put a picture of how I love this for Halloween. I'll show you how I decorated with this little tiered tray for fall, but I love how they did it. That is cute. But I'll put my picture at the end. Let's see what else, if there's any more I can share. This is cute. So this is the picture I mentioned from the fall box. So this is one of their decorated pictures. Pretty. So many ways. So I think there's so many ways you can decorate with these different pieces. I think the Halloween add-on box was just a fun one to add just a few pieces. If you like to decorate for Halloween, these are fun. All right. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was a fun little box. I enjoyed it. I love that they have add-ons, so you have that choice if you want to take advantage of it. So excited to finally here. Loving my pieces. I'll put all the information down below in case you want to check it out. And thanks so much for spending time with me today. Until next time, everybody, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, show me some support. I'd so appreciate it. And if you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.